Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Susie back at it with another one. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because y'all gonna love it here. We do a bunch of DIYs every Wednesday, and every Friday I post a vlog, Life with Susie, so y'all can get to know me a little more, a little entrepreneur style. But y'all, let's get into this dress. So y'all, it is so crazy to me because this is my very first dress that I did, like with the applique and stuff like that, like really trying to get into detail. It was challenging, and y'all, I ain't gonna lie, it was stressing me out. But y'all, let's just get into it. So right now we are cutting out the bottom skirt part of the dress, and I am using the flip over method, and we're gonna go ahead and cut that out like so. I'm trying to flip it around. So, but y'all, bear with me throughout this whole video because like I said, this is one of my very first dresses, and I'm not gonna say I didn't know what I was doing, but I still have some learning to do. And like watching this video, I have learned so much and grown so much. Like, it's crazy over the past years. I think this dress is about probably like 2 years old, and y'all, it's a story behind it. Like, I made this for one client, but something ended up happening, so she wasn't able to get it. Well, she didn't get it, and I ended up having another client that wanted some alterations done that I wasn't able to do. So remembered that I had this dress, so I had told her about it, and it worked out perfectly because she was having an all white party and this dress was white, so it was perfect, y'all. But anywho, I went ahead and pinned down the side of the dress, and now I am using my hot knife, showing y'all how easy it is to, so be careful with it. But I ended up having to flip this over because, y'all, this is like a little wallpaper that I got on the cardboard. So I ended up flipping it over and just going ahead and cut this out. Super simple, super easy, very time consuming, and you want to cut close but don't cut too close. And now right here, what I am doing is sewing down both sides of the dress. Of course, what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other side. And I'm constantly calling it a dress because it's going to be a dress, but right now it's just a skirt. So just sew down each side. Showing y'all what it looks like. Y'all, I did use a pink chalk pen, but it's going to go away. And right now I am showing y'all that I went ahead and hemmed up the bottom of the dress, and you're going to do the same thing to the top as well. And then y'all, I'm going to add my tag. Okay, so y'all, right here, I believe I was having complications when I made this, so I didn't record this part of the dress, and this is just me adding like the little top bra parts on. And y'all, like I said, I was so nervous creating this dress, and I definitely had a couple mistakes. Like on this part, there could have definitely been different ways to do this, but y'all, bear with your girl because I'm just showing y'all. Y'all don't have to take information from this video because like I said, this is very old, my first time. But y'all, this is what I did right here. I added these on here. So before then, I added this on to another piece, and then I kind of like cut the fabric to match the applique, if you can see. But y'all, that was like a previous little video that I insert so y'all can kind of see what I was talking about. But right here, I am hand sewing this down, y'all. This is so funny to me because I literally only sewed around the applique, not knowing that I'm supposed to sew like inside so the applique don't be loose and all that. But y'all, like I said, this was 2 years ago, and when I revamped this for my new client, I went ahead and did all the things necessary. And in 1 second, I'm gonna show y'all. Look how much better it looks. Like, this is me adding like some elastic bands and stuff to it. But this is the final and finishing look. Me and my client loved it. She looked it super pretty. But like and follow for more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.